What's going on, everybody? What's happening? It's Jason with Dad's That Cook. So what we are doing today is we're gonna make a pizza. We're gonna make a pizza out of some Evergood pineapple sausage. We're gonna do chipotle, mozzarella, basil. It's gonna be deep dish, it's gonna be cheesy, it's gonna be delicious. So let's start with making the dough. You get 3.5 cups of water. I'm just gonna use this bowl right here. And you get one of these instant yeasty packets, okay? And we need to throw that in there. Again, I just want to let it sit for just a minute. But it's 8 cups of all-purpose flour. We've got 5 teaspoons of salt that we're gonna need and 5 teaspoons of olive oil. You pop your little happiness in there. A little slow action, okay? Then we're gonna add our flour in there. Those dough hooks working, see they're working. Same time I'm gonna scrape it down the side. Now we gotta speed this guy up. Turn this guy down. Let him go slow. We're gonna add our salt. I'm gonna turn it off and add a little olive oil. Crank this guy back on again, and let's turn him up a little bit. We got our dough. It's all super tacky. So this is all I want to do right here. I want to take it and I'm just going to cut it into 4s. 1, 2, 3, all right? Perfect. And we're going to stick them in the fridge for like 8 to 24 hours. And then once they rise and do their thing, then we'll make a pizza. Sound like a plan? Okay, so let's get our pizza dough cooked up and ready to go. So I let it sit out. I pull it out of the fridge and I let it sit for like 2 hours. So we're gonna do that in a second, but I got all my ingredients. I got all my stuff. I got my Evergood pineapple sausage, which is so tasty. I love this sausage. So I cut it up into little pieces. Cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese that I've already grated, top it off with a little spicy marinara sauce. Mozzarella, some fresh mozzarella we're gonna use. And I'm gonna slice that up, put that around with a little bit of basil that I'm gonna chop up. And then right at the end, when we're all done, I'm gonna squirt a little spicy chipotle sauce right on top of that. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil in the pan, plop it on in. There you go. And then I'm just gonna massage it and work its way around. Very simple, very easy. A little pinch of salt right on top. 10, 15 minutes, we're gonna stick it in the oven and then we'll be back and we can put all the ingredients on. Look at that, perfect. Okay, remember the cheddar and the mozzarella? You wanna make sure you get it all along the side. Hear that sizzle? You can see it sizzling in this pan already. Now let's put a little sauce right in the center. That's all we're gonna do. We're gonna take a spoon, we're gonna spread that around. So that's all the sauce you really need. You don't need a lot of sauce. Put a nice slice there, put a nice slice there, just like that. Boom. Let's grab some of our sausage, put that all around here. Okay, now we're gonna grab a little bit of the basil. We're gonna sprinkle a little Romano on the top of that. Now we're gonna stick that back in the oven and we're gonna let it cook for another 10 or 15 minutes. Check that out. Oh, that looks so good. Look at that. I'm just gonna go around it like that. Make sure we keep some of that. See, look at that. Oh, right there, right there. See how it's lifting up? Oh, that is beautiful. Let's put a little chipotle sauce on it. Spice it up a little bit. I'm just gonna drizzle a little on. Go right down the center here. Go right down the center. Oh, hear that crunch? Ah, the crust came out perfect. Got the mozzarella right there just dripping. Let's give it a shot. Oh man, just enough sauce. The melted stuff from the pineapple sausage just brings in a whole nother layer of flavor. God, that's good. So anyway, that's it. Nice pizza pie, deep crust, little pineapple sausage from Evergood. You've got yourself dialed in. I'm telling you, it'll be the best pizza any one of your family or friends have ever eaten. This is so good. So I can't wait for you to try it. Hope you like it. I know you will, and I'll see you next time on Dad's That Cook. Hey, thanks for watching. You want to see more cool videos like this one on Dad's That Cook? Make sure you subscribe. You want to win some really cool stuff? Subscribe. You want to get notified? Make sure you know what's going on? Subscribe.